Welcome back to all in the online English class. Dear students, today we would like to complete our chapter Landscape of the Soul. Under this chapter, there is an article which is printed in particular box. Okay, and its name is Getting Inside Outsider Art. Okay, and this article is written by Brinda Suri, and in this article skill of task of Nekchan is described, and this article was published in year of 2005, 28th August 2005. It means whatever year date is mentioned in this article, according to that is that year, it means 2005. It means there is no need to be panic about that, right? Now let's start. Getting inside outsider art. It means here is a word inside and just after outside. It means outsider art is a genre of art. It is a kind of art. It is a sort of art by which, through which, with the help of that art, we can go inside. We can explore the beauty of painting, the beauty of drawing, the exact sense of skill of painter, artist. Okay, I am going to start. When French painter Jean Dubuffet mooted the concept of art brut in the 1940s, the art of the untrained visionary was of minority interest. From its almost veiled beginnings, outsider art has gradually become the fastest growing area of interest in contemporary art internationally. It means, first thing is that there was a painter, artist, French artist, French painter, whose name was Jean Dubuffet. Mooted means suggested an idea, suggested the view. It means concept, launched a new concept, and its name is art brut. Art brut. It means raw art. Raw art. Generally it is said to be kacha. Okay. It means under developing condition. It is the French phrase. It is art brut is a French phrase, and its sense is the art which is under the developing condition, which is under the going on position. It means the art which is not entirely completely developed, right? Now, and this kind of art is done, is created, is painted by untrained painter, unskilled painter. It, by the way, in another sense we can say that the artist, it means in the year of 1940s, the artists were not exactly professional. They were unskilled. They have no any kind of talent, but they have vision. They have thinking. They have views, emotions, and they were trying to paint that kind of emotions, imaginations, thinkings, views. Right? Visionary was of minority interest. It means most of the people have no any kind of interest in that kind of art, because this kind of art, this kind of painting was done by unskilled painter. From its almost well beginnings, outsider art has gradually become the fastest growing area of interest in contemporary art internationally. Slowly, slowly, step by step, day to day, time to time, this kind of art means outsider art developed day to day, time to time, gradually, slowly and slowly, and one day it's become very popular. फ्रॉम द कर्टेन, पर्दे से शुरू हुई एक इस तरीके की जो कलाकारी थी, पेंटिंग थी, पर्दे के पीछे से धीरे 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 शुरू हुई, एंड वन डे इट गॉट रिनाउंड रिवार्ड, रिनाउंड पोजीशन, वी कैन से इट गॉट द पोजीशन ऑन ग्लोबल लेवल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल. ओके. This genre is described as the art of those who have no right to be artists as they have received no formal training, yet show talent and artistic insight. It means just I explained that they have no any kind of talent, they have no any kind of skill, how to draw, how to paint, how to color, how to power out anything. But they have inside vision, they have inner vision, they have thinking, they have views, notions, emotions, so that they were able to draw any kind of figure, any kind of painting, any kind of art, drawing, and that particular kind of art always speaks something, always express something. They have received no formal training, right? Yet show talent and artistic insight. Their works are a stimulating contrast to a lot of mainstream offerings. It means their work, it means their paintings offers most of the people to describe as they see, as they watch. Around the time Dubuffet was propounding his concept in India, an untutored genius was creating paradise. Around the time Dubuffet was propounding his concept, it means in the year of 1940s, Jean Dubuffet was trying to bring out his concept of art brut on the global level. At that time, there was a person, there was a painter, there was a general person, general man who was trying to, and who was untutored, unskilled, untrained. Genius was creating paradise. There is opposite sense. Untutored genius means प्रशिक्षित नहीं था, genius था, was trying to bring out the paradise, heaven. It means there was a person who was trying to make the earth paradise. वह जमीन को, लैंड को, धरती को, धरा को क्या बनाना चाहता था? पैराडाइज बनाना चाहता था, स्वर्ग बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. उस दौरान जब जीन ड्यूबफेट महोदय ने क्या किया, जब आर्ट ब्रूट का कॉन्सेप्ट लाया, मीन्स आउटसाइडर आर्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट जब लाए, तो उसी दौरान एक अनट्यूटर्ड, अप्रशिक्षित, अकुशल लेकिन जीनियस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जो थे, वो क्या कर रहे थे? पूरे लैंड को एक स्वर्ग के रूप में प्रतिस्थापित करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. Where? In India, in our India. Years ago, the little patch of jungle that he began clearing to make himself a garden sculptured with stone and recycled material is known to the world today as the Rock Garden at Chandigarh. Years ago, the little patch of jungle, it means he was trying to clean every kind of trees, plants, and wants to create a kind of paradise, wants to create a kind of heaven on that particular forest, on that particular place, land. And by this way he made many kinds of statues there, many kind of painting there, with the help of tin, glass, waste material, zinc. This is said to be raw art, art brut, outsider art. It is not prefixed, pre-planned. It is not pre-planned, right? And known to the world today as a rock garden. And this kind of activity converted in the rock garden in Chandigarh, from where Milkha Singh, Flying Sikh, is also belong. And how rock garden is look, you can say it. This is the figure of rock garden. It is a black and white, but in actually it is colored. It is full of color. Okay, I hope all of you have seen this. Okay. Now we can explore something more in the next para. It's 80-year-old creator, director Nek Chand. At that time, in the year of 2005, Nek Chand was 80 years old. 80 years old, is now hailed as India's biggest contributor to outsider art. It means Nek Chand contributed so much as he could. It means he made a lot of effort to make the concept of outsider art. The 50th issue, Spring 2005 of Raw Vision, a UK-based magazine pioneer in outsider art publications, features Nek Chand and his rock garden sculpture Women by the Waterfall on its anniversary issue's cover. It means there is a magazine, UK-based magazine. Its name is Raw Vision magazine. Pioneer is in a literal meaning is guide. In outsider art publications features Nek Chand. It means the task of Nek Chand was considered to make the front page of Raw Vision magazine, right? And first time the painting of Women by the Waterfall was covered on the front page of Raw Vision. Raw Vision is a kind of magazine based on UK. On its anniversary issues cover, it means अपने वार्षिक समारोह के अवसर पर रॉ विजन जो मैगजीन थी, उस मैगजीन ने अपने फ्रंट पेज पर नेक चंद के द्वारा बनाए गए फिगर्स को जो वीमेन बाई द वाटरफॉल मीन्स इन दैट फिगर वीमेन वर स्टैंडिंग बाई इट मीन्स साइड ऑफ द वाटरफॉल, झरने के पास में लेडीज़ वर स्टैंडिंग, वहाँ पे औरतें खड़ी थी, इस तरीके के फिगर्स में दिखाया गया है। और इस फिगर को रॉ मैगजीन जो रॉ विजन मैगजीन है उसने क्या किया, इसको कवर पेज बनाया। द नोशन ऑफ आर्ट ब्रूट आर रॉ आर्ट, नोशन मीन्स व्यू, कॉन्सेप्ट, वी कैन फाइंड आउट दिस वर्ड इन द पोएम ऑफ रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर आल्सो। Notion of art brut or raw art was of works that were in their raw state as regards cultural and artistic influences. It means this kind of art, this kind of task, this kind of painting, it means raw painting, raw art, raw drawing, State as regards cultural and artistic influences, it reflects the cultural concept, cultural views. Anything and everything from a tin to a sink to a broken down car could be material for work of art, something nature has taken to dizzying heights, recognizing his art as it means tried tried made effort to utilize all kinds of things such as sink, car, waste material also as an outstanding testimony of the difference a single man can make when he lives his dream. It means by this way a simple man got his simple man becomes success in his dream. By this way any can be inspired and get success in his dream. It means there is need to do something. It is not good to sit idle, roaming only here and there. It's not good. It means there is need to work something always. The Swiss Commission for UNESCO will be honoring him by way of a European exposition of his works. It means by this way his art, it means the art of nature, the painting of nature, the task of nature, the deed of nature was selected to be honored, to be rewarded. उनके वर्क को सेलेक्ट किया गया रिवार्ड देने के लिए, इज्जत देने के लिए, वो भी किसके द्वारा? यूनेस्को के थ्रू. यूनेस्को मीन्स UNESCO. UNESCO means United. I am going to note down here. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientist and Cultural Organization. You can note down it in your copy or page. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Realm of Nature. It means UNESCO conducted a program and its name was Realm of Nature. Realm means kingdom. Realm means kingdom. Okay. Beginning October will be held at leading museums in Switzerland, Belgium, France and Italy. It means it was announced in that particular year that the exhibition shall be exhibit there, display there, from where? Belgium, Switzerland, France and Italy. The biggest reward is walking through the garden and seeing people enjoy my creation, nature says. Just to listen that UNESCO has decided to reward to nature, right? And his art and task shall be displayed in Belgium, Italy, okay, like that. But nature says that I will be very happy. I mean nature will be very happy and it will be exact reward, exact respect, honor when the people will go inside. Go inside. Inside means that particular kind of art in that particular garden, rock garden, and when they will explore the beauty of that particular garden and task and art, when they will walk in that kind of art, then it will be real reward for me. Me means nature. Okay, I hope, and this is written by Brinda Suri. I explained while I started this page, Hindustan Times on 28th August 2005. Right? Just to listen. what was mentioned in that particular article. I hope you understood it very well. If there is any kind of doubt, phenomena, difficulties, feel free to ask me. Okay, and the notes will be provided you soon. Thanks for attending the class. Be happy. Have a great day.